Hey Musty Travelers, today we are heading to some of the most beautiful beaches in Thailand, the Phi Phi Islands. Let's go check out the top spots, but first, if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe to Musty Travels and hit the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Phi Phi Lee is an uninhabited island that lies 1.5 kilometers south of the Phi Phi Don. Here, you will find stunning vertical cliffs that are capped with green foliage, with sandy beaches and tropical coral seas. There are plenty of organized trips that come to this island, or you could rent a longtail boat to create your own unique, customized trip. Yep, you read that right. In the Phi Phi Islands, you could find the famous Monkey Beach, which is not only famous for its furry inhabitants. Its other point of interest is that it's a top-notch snorkeling spot. The shallow waters and beautiful different types of fish really gives you the feeling of swimming in an aquarium. Maya Bay has become world famous as it was the filming location for the film The Beach, starring Leonardo Dicaprio. With a white sandy beach surrounded by gorgeous gigantic cliffs and coral reefs, it's no wonder why visitors come from far and wide just to get a glimpse of this place. This spectacular lagoon is an unreal inlet located near the popular Maya Beach. It's one of the most picturesque places to visit in all of Thailand due to its stunning emerald waters and limestone cliffs. This pier is the transport hub of Phi Phi Island. While it holds true to the area with white sandy beaches and turquoise waters, it is also a buzzing commercial center where you could find many lively shops, restaurants, and hotels.